is a business. As you see other businesses, you can earn money from YouTube. Just do this. Hello everyone, my name is Mosh, and on this channel I make videos on how to make money on YouTube, how to monetize your channel, how to get views. In the world, there are a lot of businesses. You can earn money by different ways. Some businesses require energy, some requires wisdom, some requires skills, and a lot of things required in a business. But businesses give a lot of revenue to their workers. And some of the businesses which are more profitable than others, there are online businesses. When you work, people working online get a lot of profit, get huge profits. They earn a lot of money online. Some of the online businesses include forex trading, where people trade money, buy money, and sell them out. Some of the online businesses include forex trading, where people trade money, buy money, and sells money. Advertising people's products via WhatsApp and Google Chrome websites. Joining the TikTok Creator Fund. Advertising people's properties via TikTok and YouTube monetization program. YouTube has a monetization program where people can earn money from YouTube. Today, basically, I'm going to talk about YouTube business. How people make money via YouTube is the most profitable business, and it's easy. You just require a phone and internet access to earn money on YouTube. Just get a phone and internet access. Let's work together. Some people think that YouTube does not pay and it's not a business. But let you know, YouTube is a business as you see other businesses. As the way a person can work from forex trading, marketing, as everything, any business. That's the way a person can earn from YouTube. It's a business. And it pays according to the number of viewers you earn a month. If you join a YouTube monetization program, it depends on the number of viewers. Those are directly proportional to your income per month. This means that YouTube does not pay creators without a lot of views or without views. And on this channel, we are going to tell you how to get views in a short period of time so that you earn money from YouTube. YouTube pay. But a lot of people have a question. Where does YouTube get this money to pay? You see Google AdSense program. It places ads on the videos of the creators. YouTube is a business where we are going to earn money. Please, if you are interested in earning money from YouTube, subscribe to this channel, like and comment for more. We are going to monetize our channels in 30 days. We have only 30 days to monetize our channels. We are starting today. Now, let's earn money.